So hi friends, in this video series we are discussing about the French Revolution. So in the last video I told you that Louis XVI recognized the constitution, but actually he was not happy with the development in France. So what he did, he started to negotiate with other countries to stop the movement which was started by the people. But before it could happen, the National Assembly of France they declared war against Prussia and Austria in April 1792. Did you understand? So king wanted to stop the movement, but the people were angry on the king and they voted against the king to declare war against Austria and Prussia. So thousands of volunteers joined the war and people started to sing the national assembly national song of France, okay, national anthem of France, and that is known as Marseillaise. Marseillaise, it was composed by Robert de Lisle. Who composed the Marseillaise? Robert de Lisle, and it became the national anthem of France. Did you all understand? So in this way people started their revolution against the king. So it was a question of respect for the people. So many people they joined in the revolution. As men went to join in the army, women started to earn a living for their family. So many people joined in the revolution because it was a question of respect for the French people. After that, what happened in France? Different political club came. People started to discuss the government policies in their political club. They formed their political club, and one such famous club was Jacobin Club. Remember, one such famous club was Jacobin Club. It was one of the famous club. So, if I will talk about the Jacobin Club, the members of the Jacobin Club belong mainly to the less prosperous section of the society. Who are they? They are like shopkeepers, artisans, cooks, shoemakers, like this less prosperous section of the society. And their one leader was there. The leader name was Maximilien Robespierre. Who was the leader? The leader was Maximilien Robespierre. What they were doing, they dressed differently by wearing long striped trousers, similar to those worn by dock workers. They wanted to differentiate themselves from the other people, from the rich people. And it was a way of declaring the end of the power holded by the wearers of knee breeches. I want to tell you that the rich section of the society they were wearing a special kind of dress that was known as knee breech, but these people, the members of Jacobin Club, they wanted to differentiate themselves from the knee breeches, and they started to be known as sans culottes. These people, the member of the Jacobin Club, they started to be known as sans culottes, meaning those without the knee breeches. Okay, and they are also wearing a red cap that symbolize liberty. So in this way, the war against the Austria and Prussia went on. Club also came, political club also came. After that, what happened? On 10th August 1792, the Jacobins attacked the palace of Tuileries with large number of Parisians. They killed the king's guards and they declared the assembly voted to imprison the royal family. They voted what? To imprison the royal family. They were very much king. They were very much angry towards the royal family. So that's why what they did, they voted to imprison the royal family. Election held on August 1917, and in the election all the adult above 21 years of age, those who has covered the 21 years of age, they got the right to vote. And one newly elected assembly also came, and this was known as convention. So what this convention did, it abolished monarchy on 21st September 1792. They declared France as a republic, and what they did on 21st January 1793, they sent the king Louis XVI to the treason, and Louis XBI was executed publicly. Death, he was dead publicly. Okay, and after some time also the Queen Mary Anthony was also sentenced to death. So due to this convention held by the public on 21st September 1792, after that what they did on 21st January 1793, both the king and queen they died. So after that what happened? 1793 king and queen died. So 1793 to 94 another leader came into the politics of France. His name was Maximilien Robespierre. Maximilien Robespierre, he was the leader of the Jacobin Club, I have already told. So what he did, many people were arrested and tried by a revolutionary tribunal or court. And the time of Maximilien Robespierre, Robespierre also known as Reign of Terror. Why it is known as Reign of Terror? Because many people were arrested. Those who were supporting the conventional monarch, those who are supporting the monarch or the king, those who are supporting the existing system of France, they were arrested like ex-nobles, clergy, members of the political parties. Okay, if court found them guilty, then they were guillotined, their death sentence was given to them. Then peasants were forced to transport their grain to the cities and sell it at the prices fixed by the government. The use of expensive white flour was forbidden. What they did again? The use of expensive white flour was forbidden. People were forced to eat the pain de galite. Pain de galite means what? Equality bread. A loaf made of whole wheat. Pain de galite, equality bread, a loaf made of whole wheat. Everybody have to eat this. Then previously they are using some title like Monsieur and Madame. Monsieur means sir, Madame means madam. But all Frenchmen and women were called as citoyen and citoyenne. Citoyen means for male citizen and citoyenne means female citizen. Citoyen, citoyenne. Instead of Monsieur and Madame, they started to use citoyen and citoyenne. Churches were shut down and the buildings were converted into barracks or offices. Robespierre became a virtual dictator of France. He is regarded as virtual dictator of France. But due to his hard policies, his supporters left him in the end. He was finally convicted by a court and guillotined on July 1794. So did you understand? The next thing we will discuss in the next class. So please, if you like the video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.